Woo! Yes, yes. What's up, dudes? Yet is the freaking D. Fill-in gravy. The summer's in full effect. We psyched about it. We psyched about it. Today, what are we doing, bros? What are we doing? We breaking it down, we rolling it up. My two favorite things. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Yes, yes, yes. Trimmed in, trimmed down. First, drawn up, nipped out. Forearm game, you know what I'm saying? Dude, nips are good for the forearms, bros. Oh, bro, dude, Popeye. I love the angle of these nips. I don't know. I got these so long ago and they still freaking rock. Anyway, good. Okay, so, we breaking it. Yes! Oh, dude, little jerry can, dude. Freaking cool. Okay. Speed up the next one. We'll speed up the next one. Okay, yes. Small boxes, done. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. Right now, I'm gonna do something that I've seriously never done before, right? So strap on your freaking ball caps, player, because we're gonna roll one up. Weird. Yeah, still working this out in my mind, like always. We doing it on the fly. So, time to roll it up. We're gonna try it. Let's try it, let's try it, let's try it. Dudes, no kidding, bros. That actually, like, oops, what? That actually freaking worked, man. Just a piece of solid stock. See that? Because it's magnetic, it just freaking, how sick. Dudes, one of these days I'm gonna build hinges. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna build some hinges. But in the meantime, keeping that with the rest of the tools, huh, dudes? So what's with the little boxes and the rolled up Tootsie Pop, dudes? Check this out, dudes. This drawer is frickin' enormous. It needs a sweet handle, and that's what I'm gonna make out of these things, dude. Welder time, dudes. Let's weld this frickin' suck mama. Flex lock, sharpened up. I'm gonna go 1/16 silly B. 1/16 silly B. And I'm just gonna kinda tack these things together to look nice. Follow along, because I think this thing is gonna be frickin' BA to the MOON, baby. Badass to the moon. What's up? Came out kind of cool, I think. Dude, psyched about how it came out, actually. I think it's got a great look to it. Franken drawer handle. I got a Franken drawer handle and I don't know what to do about it, baby. About it, baby. Yeah, sick. All right. Well, dudes, that's it, bro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe, leave your comments. Ah, yes. All right, dudes, that's it. It's the motherfucking Deke, and I'm out.